Seeking English, S.A.T. Workbook, page 327, problem 3. This is a problem in which I think if you do it exactly the way your algebra teacher would tell you to do it, it would probably take longer. So rather than show you that, and I may make a separate video that does that just for good measure, but rather than do that in this video, I'm going to show you how I prefer to solve a problem like this. I should explain, I'm not a mathematician. I do teach math preparation for S.A.T, GRE, and GMAT, but I also teach verbal. And I have very good results because I'm very good at taking standardized tests. Okay, I do have a bachelor's degree and a master's degree, but they're not in mathematics, and they're not in taking standardized tests either. They might as well be. It's what I seem to be best at. In this case, you don't really need to solve for x. Your solution is somewhere in these answers here. And again, this is what's most different between doing math on the S.A.T. and doing math in an algebra class. They gave you the answer, you just don't know which one it is. So eliminate 3 answers and you're done. Okay? From here, 4 to the third equals 64. 2 to the third equals 8. Okay? 64 divided by 8 becomes 8. Okay? 4 to the 1 equals 4. Ugh. Wow. Take 2. No. 4 squared equals 16. There. So whatever number you're looking for to produce this 8 has to be somewhere between 1 and 2. This number is smaller than 1. This number is smaller than 1. And this number is 2, which is too large. The answer has to be 3 over 2. You don't really have to be very secure with your rules about exponents in order to eliminate these 3 answers. You don't really have to solve for x. All you have to do is constrain x to, a range where only one answer is left. Does this work on every problem? No. No, it won't work on every problem. It works on enough problems, though, that it's a strategy I want you to be aware of. Okay, if a pattern like this jumps out at you, my suggestion is to trust your training, but also trust your eyes, trust your own mind. Okay, the reason I mention this again is a significant number of my students have a very difficult time, as honestly I do, applying rules for exponents in a problem like this. And in my case, just because I've taught it enough, it seems like I can do it, but it just takes longer than this. If it takes longer than this, I don't know. You can see somebody else's video where they solve essentially the same problem, and it probably takes longer. Okay, and time is crucial, and mental energy is crucial on the S.A.T. If you can save time and save mental energy by simply eliminating 3 answers, do that. I think I've mentioned this a lot. It's worth mentioning again.